Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply describe you some of the steps which will hopefully get your account verified on TikTok. But before we get started with this tutorial, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to get verified on TikTok simple in 2022. So you might have an account, you have a very good face value, you have very good business growth, you have a very good profile, and now the only thing you want is you want to get your business get verified on TikTok, or maybe you just want your personal profile to get verified as well. So for that, you have to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. We are going to run through some of the steps which will hopefully get your account verified on TikTok. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually downloaded and updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You could head over to your app store, in the search box type in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually downloaded and updated TikTok, I'm going to simply go ahead and open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you can log in, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you could do is, in order to get verified on TikTok, first of all, there are a couple of things we actually want to run, and that is that from the very bottom right hand side of the screen, you have to simply tap on a profile icon. As you tap on this profile icon, you're going to be taken to a profile page, and on the top right hand side, you can basically see the three horizontal lines. I can tap on the three horizontal lines, and then at the bottom, go ahead and select settings and privacy. As you tap on select settings and privacy, the very first thing at the top, you can see this privacy option. In this lock icon, what you could do is simply tap on this privacy option. First of all, you simply want to make sure that this toggle next to the private account is actually turned off, because private account are not actually going to get verified on TikTok. So you want to make sure that you don't actually have a private account. The other thing you could also do is you could actually simply switch to a business account. So tap on manage account, go ahead and simply tap on switch to business account. Go ahead and select your business niche, business categories, and anything which you might actually want to use for your TikTok profile or for your TikTok business. Once you've actually done the steps, now what we could do is, in order to get verified on TikTok, we have to actually submit a request. In order to submit a request, first of all, you could also simply take a screenshot of your profile right over here. Once you take a screenshot of your profile, what you can do is, from the top right hand side, tap on the three dot icon again, and again tap on settings and privacy at the very bottom of the screen. Now over here, what we want to do is we simply want to look for the option called report a problem. So right under the support settings, you have the option called report a problem. Tap on report a problem button, and basically you're going to be taken to this page where you can have multiple topics which you might actually want to relate to. But then what we want to do is, at the very top right hand side, you can see this pencil like icon. You have to simply tap on this icon right over here, and it says us to actually give a feedback. Then again, we want to tap on the pencil like icon at the top right hand side of the screen. Now we have to simply submit a report. Now over here, what you could actually include is the screenshot of the profile which you actually took earlier. Assuming that you do have a better profile than mine, I'm just showing you for the demo purpose. Make sure that you do have a very better profile right over here, and then tap on the OK button. Now what you could also do is simply tell to TikTok that you have a very good face value and so on, that your business is legit, that your profile is also legit, you have a regular audience growth, you have regular engagement. Once done, you could go ahead and simply tap on the report button right at the screen over here. And this is how you can get verified on TikTok. Hopefully TikTok will get back to you and respond to you whether your account is eligible for verification and the blue tick or not. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.